Begin by ensuring that the button halfway through the head opening is unclasped. Furthermore, your mortar board needs to be positioned on top of your head so that it lies flat. If you wear it further back, it will be knocked off during the hooding process. It is important to hold your hood properly when presenting it to your program director. Hold the hood with the velvet band at the top and the loop point in your right hand. If the silk part is visible, your hood is inside out. Fold the hood slightly lengthwise so that it is roughly half its usual width. Lay the folded hood across your left arm so that the velvet portion is closest to your elbow and the point is away from your body when your arm is bent. When it is time to present your hood to the program director, simply present your bent arm. Once the hood has been taken from you, turn away from the director. Feel free to squat down if you believe you're too tall, but don't stick your rear out when you squat. It is also all right if you assist the director in guiding the hood over your head rather than having the hood hit your face.